Hello, using the same test assembly as in first part of presentation, I will generate the BOM for product. The macro will select all components, and export to Excel, part number, reference name and nomenclature, only for first level components. The mass parameters, together with their values, are exported to range I and J, and using Excel formulas, added to corresponding part number in the table, then deleted. At the top, in range B1 to C2, are exported the product name and product inertia mass. As you can observe, the assembly exported inertia mass is approximative equal to sum of all instances mass. The Excel file was saved in same location as the assembly, with same name. I will duplicate a component, and run again the macro. The exported data are taken from properties of each first level component. The macro detects the new instance, and the total mass was updated. Now, I will show you the code behind this macro. First, tests if a product is opened, then select all the components, maximum 2000, then load part number, reference name, and nomenclature, for first level components. Next, these data are sorted and counted for each component, in order to prepare them for export to Excel. The output for Excel contains the cell location where the data will be filled in, together with the head table namings, also range formatting like color, font, alignment. Next, the Excel file is saved with same name, and in same location as CATIA product. Next, is called the subroutine, that exports from CATIA product to Excel file, the mass parameters, together with their values. After that, the table is formatted and the cell content is fitted for each column, then the macro ends. At the end, is the add mass subroutine, similar with the code from first part of presentation, last macro. This macro will use the existing parameters from product, containing the string _:, if they are not present, then the instance mass is not available. Next, in cell H5, is inserted a formula that search for value in cell B5, in range I1I, and return corresponding value from range J1J, so the mass from parameters is added for each component. After that, the parameters and their values are cleaned, and the table is formatted as needed. Next, I will delete the existing parameters from assembly. At running again the macro, there are no longer mass parameters, so in Excel the instance mass is 0, as you can observe. The last macro will do all, starting with deleting and updating parameters, as in first presentation, then continuing with previous code. Even if there are two instances of same component, the BOM is computed OK, the mass filled corresponding. Let's see the adapted code, after all the steps presented before. First, is checked if a product is opened, then all the parameters including the set, are deleted, then all components are selected, inserted the parameters, connected to inertia mass. Until here, is like in first part of presentation. The previous macro, is called from subroutine BOM, below the code. As you can see, the code is complex now, because each step from presentation is here, in final, resulting the BOM in Excel, together with individual component mass. I hope you like these two presentations, and will use and adapt parts from them, according to your needs. Till the next one, I wish you all the bests.